Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mabo. I'm at my house, guys, and just warming up the engine. I'm about to take you on a road trip, guys. So that's the video for today. If you're new to my channel, can remember to subscribe, give the video a like, and share to friends and family. Follow along, guys. It's hot, guys. So guys, we're almost approaching rainy season in Zambia, so very soon we'll be planting maize, our staple food. But October is summer, it's still hot. Like it's going to rain this month, October. It has rained twice, and the weather today looks like it's going to rain. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. Before you finish watching this video, click share with all your friends. Show you where we are going. We have to head back home because I don't want my car to get stuck in the mud. So I've just pulled over where they sell things, and I just got some mangoes, my favorite fruit. So let's head back home. Heading back home. This is guys. So today is a Sunday. There are just a few shops which are open. Oh, the road here is really bad. Many people go to church on Sundays, so you don't find that many shops open. They're playing soccer. Just passing a football pitch on my left, and I've seen people playing football. They've started decorating. Zambia got independence in October 24th. So usually shops, they start decorating in national flags, national colors. So I've seen one shop there decorated in national colors. So October, we usually have scanty rain, but I'm not sure. It looks like we are going to have early start of rainy season this year. Because the clouds appear to be just the weather, actually, just the weather. Looks like rain season weather. You can see watermelons there. Let me buy one. Watermelon. Where is the owner? Where's the person selling? Guys, I can just see watermelons. Oh, I've seen the person selling. Yo, that's what. Okay, so guys, I'm home now. These are the mangoes I got and some watermelons. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.